আমি তোমাকে
বাসি
ভালোবাসি।
Yeah, I just meet with my friend, my new friend. What's your name, by the way? What's your name?
Hannah.
My friend name is Hannah. She's where are you from?
England.
She's from England. Only I meet with only England people in over there. And how long have been you are in India?
About a week.
Then how is the like a nature and how is the Kolkata?
I really like her because my mum's family is actually from Calcutta originally.
Oh, actually she's saying that she's mom family is Kolkata.
Yeah.
Okay, she's from in London. Okay, but she's mom from Kolkata.
Yes, correct. Originally, yeah.
Where in Kolkata?
I'm not sure because
Okay,
she's never
she's
been
not.
because she was
Okay.
born there. Is my husband?
Yes.
He's inside the Victoria Museum.
I think that you're looking like a 21 year old. But I know that it is not impossible.
Okay.
Okay. Like I'm just standing in front of there. Okay, you just go. Okay. England people, when England people get married, age of 40, age of 45. Can you tell me? Like when did you got married? You just say.
When I was 30.
Okay, she's got married age of 30, but you know in India like when girl be 15-year-old,
15?
yeah, 15 and 6, but
No, that's illegal.
yeah, that is an illegal, but you know there is some issue with the girls.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, something is there. Like your husband from in India or where?
No, he's from Colombia.
Colombia.
Uh-huh.
So how did you meet him?
In London.
Okay, you meet with him in London, right?
Yes.
Yeah, sun is falling on my face. You know, I have to wear a sunglasses. And too much like
Too much sun.
Too much temperature is there in Kolkata.
Too much sun.
So how do you? So too much like a sun. Winter season is going on, but na?
Now, here,
Yeah, like how many kids do you have?
kids, none.
No. So when will you be going to take a kids?
I don't
After
think I want kids.
oh my God. That's okay. My friend she just lost his husband, you know, because in Kolkata. So that is a big, you know, like a big area surrounding that is located in heart of Kolkata.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what did you eat in morning? Like have you ever tried in Indian food?
Yeah.
Then how it is?
It's so beautiful, but I'm really bad at spice, so
It's spicy. Yeah,
for me it's very spicy, so I struggle.
Yeah, certainly because there was some spicy food. So what did you eat? Like a try, like a kind of the rice. Have you tried rice? Indian rice?
Yeah, lots of biryani.
Yeah, kind of. Then how is the biryani is there?
Yeah, beautiful, just spicy for me.
Yeah, kind of. She was tried the biryani in over there. So where did you try in Kolkata, right?
Not yet actually, no, because we just got to Calcutta last night.
Okay, she came Kolkata in last night. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you just came with your husband, right?
Mm-hmm.
You are in honeymoon right now because Valentine Day is going on. Today's 14th February. People are celebrating a Valentine's across the country. You know, but we are in like a city of joy. I just meet with my friend. You know, yeah, go this side because this is the exit gate. You know, this is the exit gate. On Sevar you will be exit from here.
Mm-hmm.
You can't able to again enter. You know, call him your husband.
Yeah, I'm just...
She's got married age of 29, you know. But can you tell me how old I am?
You? Wow.
Do you have Instagram?
No, I don't.
So which type of social media do you use?
None. No, none.
You don't use in social media any kind
No,
of, right?
I don't like to.
But you know, like Indian people are too much addicted to using social media. Eventually, they spending a half day to using scrolling and kind of they just wasting a time, you know.
I know.
over there.
I know. A lot of English people do as well.
Yeah. You know.
Yeah.
You know, so I want to teach you some English, Hindi, Bengali language, you know.
Okay.
Like whenever. So how do you want learning from my Bengali language? I love you.
How do you say hello?
Hello. Hello. Normally say you can hello.
Oh.
But I want to teach you I love you word.
I love you.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
That's long.
Yeah.
Is it this way?
Huh?
This way to go back in?
No. Stand here. Stand here. Then I will teach you some word. Yeah. This way. Yeah. So whenever as a Bengali go to propose any girl, that time they say ami. You say repeat me ami.
Ami.
তোমাকে.
Huh?
তোমাকে.
Tomake.
ভালোবাসি. ভালো.
Hello.
বাসি.
Basi.
Yeah, that's again say আমি তোমাকে
Ami tomake.
ভালোবাসি. ভালোবাসি.
Bahalo.
বাসি.
Basi.
Yeah, that is the Indian. And say to Murshidabad all people, I am from Murshidabad. So hello to Murshidabad people, you just say hello Murshidabad people.
Hello. Hey, what?
Murshidabad.
Murshidabad.
Murshidabad is my hometown. Now I'm
Okay.
in Now I'm staying in Kolkata, you know.
Okay.